My Buccy Voyage is Sycamore Junior High School's Capstone Showcase event. It takes place at the end of your 8th grade year to reflect on and showcase your journey over the last 2 years as a Buccy. It is a celebratory event that signifies the end of your junior high experience before promoting to high school. What will happen on that day? You will be participating in an exit interview. This is a chance to have a conversation about your junior high experience. At the end of your interview, you will receive a certificate of completion. Then, there will also be a celebratory reception for all of those who completed their interview with food and photo ops over at Sycamore Plaza. Why are we doing this? First of all, it is important to take time to reflect on how much you've grown. No matter where you started on your very first day as a 7th grader here at Sycamore, all of you have grown in multiple ways to the person you are today. This is the time to share what you are most proud of within these last 2 years. This event is to honor the growth you have made and to set goals for the next chapter of your story, which is high school. And as an added bonus, this process will allow you to practice your interviewing skills, which is a valuable life skill that will help you be successful in your future, no matter what career path you choose. So what are the details? You will be assigned an interview day, taking place towards the end of this school year. The length of your interview will be up to 10 minutes. The location of your interview will be within your homeroom classroom, unless you are assigned otherwise. As far as resources go, you will have resources to help you prepare for your interview. Over the next month or two, you will be having time within your school day to prepare these resources. Now let's take a sneak peek at what Showcase Day will look like. Here are some tips for a great interview. Be prepared. When you have time throughout the next few months, make sure you focus on putting your slides together so that you don't rush when it's your interview time. The night before your interview, make sure you pack any materials you might need so that you don't rush the morning of. On the day of, be ready. Have your Chromebook already charged and already opened to the slides so that you don't have to take time in front of the interviewer pulling up your tabs and websites. Be confident. Walk in with a smile, give a firm handshake, and make eye contact. Throughout the whole process, make sure you ask for help if you need support. Teachers, counselors, and other Sycamore staff are here to help you be successful with this event. Practice. Before your interview day, Try as much to practice whenever you can with family, friends, and peers. And finally, believe in yourself. Know that you can do this and that support is here to help you along the way. Let's take a closer look at an example of what an interview process will look like.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Rafael Ramirez. I'm a 8th grader here at Sycamore Junior High.
Hi, Rafael. I'm Mrs. Tice, and I'm an English teacher here at Sycamore. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Let's have a seat. Okay, can you share one of your most important assignments that you are putting into your project with me?
There's like one I did in Spanish class in Ms. Derrada's class. It's a part of the Capstone. It's a 216 Capstone. This talks about family. Like if I didn't have family, I would have been nowhere. And I have hardworking parents that strive my siblings and I to make us a better person. I know my attitude's not the greatest at home and stuff, but I need to improve on that and improve on my grades, to make my parents proud one day. Well, I'm thankful to have grateful a mom and a dad that care for me and my siblings and care for other people. And that's one thing that makes me not give up, even though cause me, I doubt myself a lot, which is not good. Cause a lot of people fail more than they succeed, but you also got to look at it you have to do it for yourself and for your family and stuff. So that's why I wanted to talk about my family, because that was a capstone we were supposed to do about. And yeah, I love my mom and my dad, and my siblings were always there for me when I was a little kid, and they're still there now. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about my family here.
Oh, that's wonderful, and your parents have done a wonderful job raising you, and you're going to continue to do amazing things. So
thank you, Ms. Tice.
Well done, thank you.
Quarterback for both years, and then for basketball, 7th grade, I think I had 27 points one day versus ball. I think Mr. Malik said that's a school record.
Nice.
And then right now I'm doing cross country, and then next quarter I'll probably do volleyball and track. And then some of the clubs I take here at Sycamore are student council, and I'm in DLA. I've done since I was a little kid, so yeah.
Well done.
And student council is fun. We make a lot of posters, and the class is fun. Ms. Guerrero's a really good teacher.
I agree.
And then I try to volunteer hours, but what's it called? I'm busy at home as well, and so I try to volunteer that much. But I need to get my hours up to have enough for community service hours. And then some of my personal goals are playing baseball in high school and taking criminal justice and sports medicine, or either one of those, and hopefully in the future play college baseball one day. And then what's it called? Some of the 5 C's that people should use are critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and especially when you're with a partner, because it's more I don't know how to explain it, but more better, and it's it'll help the person out if you're working on not a test, but something that's hard, and the kids having a tough, you can't really understand it. And yeah, it's really important to use the 5 C's.
Very
so,
good.
That's pretty good.
All right. Well, thank you very much. You did a great job.
Thank you, Ms.
Great
Tice.
job, and good
Thank
luck in high school.
Thank you.
All right.
How should I dress for the interview? Please dress for success. An interview is a formal process, so try your best to dress professionally. For this particular event, you have 2 options. The first option is to wear your formal school uniform, which most students already have access to. This includes a red, gray, or black polo shirt, along with solid colored bottoms. Your pants can be black, navy blue, khaki, or gray. Jeans, however, are too casual for an interview, therefore they won't be appropriate for interview day. Keep in mind, if you are a part of band or choir, you already have formal attire for the performances that you have had. Those are attire and clothes that you could use for your formal school uniform. A second option that you have is to wear business attire. As shown in this image here, business attire can range through a variety of styles. If you'd like to go this route, we wanted you to know that you do have this option as well. Now we leave you with some final thoughts. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. We are so happy that Sycamore is a part of your journey, and we're here to help you with every step of the way. We're excited to celebrate with you as you finally complete your Buccy Voyage.